Hello, this is Hannah from Pierre's, and today we're going to make our very own ice cream sandwich creations using your favorite cookie recipes and Pierre's ice cream flavors. First, you're going to need cookies, and you can use store-bought or make your own. Just make sure you let them cool first. And you'll also need a half a cup of miniature semi-sweet chocolate chips or candy sprinkles, and a container of your favorite Pierre's ice cream flavor, slightly softened. And today, for this recipe, we're going to be using Pierre's chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. You're going to want to cut 12 by 9 inch sheets of wax paper or plastic wrap, and then you're going to put your chocolate chips into a plate and just set them aside. So first, we're going to take a cookie, place it on your wax paper, and then we're going to grab about a quarter cup of ice cream and put it on the cookie bottom side up. Then you're going to take your second cookie, bottom side down, and gently squish it together. Then you're going to take your sandwich cookie and you're going to roll it in either your chocolate chips or in your sprinkles. And then you're going to place it back on the plastic wrap and just wrap it up. You're going to want to put your sandwich in the freezer for about 3 hours until it's firm. And for longer storage, place your wrapped sandwiches in a resealable freezer bag and just let them stand 10 minutes before you serve them. You can purchase different kinds of cookies and experiment with different flavor combinations, like coffee ice cream and oatmeal cookies, or lemon cookies and strawberry ice cream, or you can combine Pierre's strawberry cheesecake ice cream with sugar cookies. Graham crackers and ice cream are another easy and yummy combination. For a quick treat, just break them along the perforations into smaller rectangles, and you're going to want to spread a small spoonful of ice cream on top for an open-faced sandwich. And today we're using Pierre's Campfire Toasted S'mores. You can try combining cinnamon graham crackers and Pierre's French vanilla ice cream or mint chocolate chip ice cream with chocolate graham crackers. And for those who like having the work done for them, me, there are also Pierre's 10-pack ice cream sandwiches, and they come in 5 delicious flavors: vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter, sea salt caramel, and during the holiday season, peppermint. Easy and delicious. So as always, we'd love to see your creations. Please send us photos of your own ice cream sandwich recipes in the comments section below, and watch our other videos for more delicious recipes, and make sure to subscribe and follow us so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you next time with more creations from Pierre's.